Hi, welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host Shara, and today we're going to be making salted caramel cappuccino. We're going to be using the Keurig that actually does the cappuccino and frappuccino. That's what this part right here is for. Alright, so we're going to get right into the ingredients. The first ingredient we're going to use is the chocolate caramel, salted chocolate caramel by Torani. Torani salted caramel syrup. We're going to be using donut shot coffee today. This is the Holiday Buzz. And natural Bliss all natural real milk cream. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have my Yeti cup here. The reason why I love Yeti cups is because these things keep your drinks hot or cold for at least 8 hours. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and put the donut shot coffee inside the Keurig. I'm going to go ahead and hit the... So first of all, I'm going to hit the on button and then... Alright, donut shot, the coffee button, and today I'm just going to do 10 ounces. I always do strong, and then here we go, the coffee. And just to let you all know, this smells so delicious just by the coffee itself. In order to make this a salted caramel cappuccino, we're going to go ahead and pour our natural Bliss inside of the cappuccino slash frappuccino maker. And we're just going to fill it up to where it says cappuccino line inside. And then to make it salted caramel, I'm going to go ahead and use a teaspoon of salted caramel inside. Ooh, that smells delicious already. So the coffee part is pretty much ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put this top on this part. Set it down like so. We are going to press the cappuccino button. And then that's ready to start there. So what's happening here is it is almost done with brewing the coffee. As soon as it is done, the cappuccino part goes, and it actually goes into a tornado just for a few moments. So this part is already done for the coffee. So I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of the salted caramel in here as well. And just give it a quick stir. And then we're just going to wait for the cappuccino part is done. When the cappuccino part is done, it always does a beep, which you just heard. If not, it's just a double beep. And then now we're just going to go ahead and put all this froth, I hope you guys can see that well, inside here. Oh, that looks amazing. So this is how I make my caramel frappuccinos. This is what it looks like. The drizzling of the chocolate caramel flavor, the salted caramel flavor. So once it's already done, you can just drizzle this on the top. And if you like Before 5 and salted caramel cappuccino, make sure you check out this channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.